Everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We've got the February My Geek box. Okay, so first out we've got Guardians of the Galaxy Yondu figure. That feels pretty heavy actually. That's quite nice. And we've got a Star Trek ship. I've done them for a bit. A Fallout keyring. And finally a set of Fallout metal coasters. There's 4 coasters and they're quite big, they're 89mm. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk.